So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to get rid of your bed hair and how to refresh your curls in the morning. So for the first step, the only thing I'm going to be doing is just wetting my hair. So my hair is completely drenched right now. Now I'm just going to shake my hair. So this is what my hair looks like after shaking my hair. So now I'm going to be using this Shea Moisture Leave-In Conditioner. So the amount I'm going to be taking is about maybe this much, like this. And I'm just going to apply it everywhere. Yeah, this should be good. This is what my hair is looking like. So for my next step, I'm just going to be wetting my hair with the spray bottle. And then now I'm just going to shake my hair. I actually love what my hair is looking like right now. So for my next step, I'm just going to be adding a tiny bit of Eco Styler gel, around this much. So I'm just going to rub that through and then just apply it to my head. So now I'm going to be using the wide tooth comb and just pick out at the root of my hair just to get some bigness. Alright y'all, so this is the end of my video. I hope you guys liked it. This is what my hair is looking like. I really love this. I like the way my hair looks. I like the natural look it gives me. But anyways, I just want to say thank you guys so much for 700 subscribers. We're almost at 1,000 and I wouldn't have made it here without you guys. So yeah, I just want to say thank you guys, and thank you guys for supporting me on this journey to monetization. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace.